See, the ClassPad is designed for personalized learning inside schools. The way it's designed, it's right now we are also offering a hardware configuration, but the soul of ClassPad is the ClassPad learning system, which can actually sit on top of any hardware, which is Android, and it can deliver a learning experience in schools. What I mean by that is that teachers can control what is happening on each ClassPad, and teachers can stream lessons from our library or from any other library that they may subscribe to the students. So right now we are working from class 3 to 12. Uh, we have over 80,000 lessons that we have developed for the PC and the interactive whiteboard environment. We are converting those lessons into the tablet environment and the Android environment, and we have converted about 20,000 lessons. So we have a fair amount of lessons for teachers to start out in the various curriculum in math, science, social science and English. We had done our national launch in IIT about 15 days back at IIT Delhi, where we belong in terms of it's our alumni of the founding team. And there was a conference for school principals where we had launched it. Since then, we have also done an international launch in London, but this is the first time we are going outside of Delhi and launching this. We have relationship with a number of schools, so out of our previous relationships, 14 schools have already started using ClassPad, but this is our first, so to say, commercial conference, and we are showing it to the Hyderabad audience, and let's see what response we get. There are two models. Yes, definitely the maximum benefit will be if each student has his own ClassPad. But since not all schools will be able to afford it initially, we have also created a trolley model where the ClassPad is moved from class to class in a trolley. The trolley is also the charging device and makes the tablet secure, where the price is very affordable. It starts as low as 80 rupees per student per month. In terms of the hardware, it works from between 7 to 10 inch. But like I said before, if schools already have their own hardware or children have their own hardware, then the ClassPad learning system can sit on top of the previous hardware also. See, from a student viewpoint, of course, students are excited seeing their books and different lessons being delivered, and it's interactive, so children can play learning games and children can interact with the content. But also equally, if for example some technology is being used in the classroom and the teachers are teaching through technology, then all the classwork is streamed at the end of the class to the students. Students also use this device to submit homework and submit assignment. Of course, there's a 20-hour teacher training course. The most important factor we feel to the success of this device would be that teacher adoption. We have seen technology adoption earlier in this market through the interactive whiteboard, and we feel even in this round of technology adoption, which is very exciting because it's personalized, the success within schools will depend largely on teacher adoption.